This Diamond Realty and Associates property video is presented by Mindy Wardlaw. Fabulous Colonial Executive home on a fabulous non-powered boat neighborhood lake with amazing views and double balconies to savor the beauty. Floorplan with formal living or study, formal dining, and oversized den. Wonderful granite countertops, island, and stainless steel appliances. Oversized bedrooms that you've always wanted, an owner suite with separate room for another closet or flex space in the bedroom. Owners have porches to enjoy the sunrises and an enormous game room that can be divided to make your flex space what you want. 12 by 12 brick workshop with 220 for future pool space. Enjoy living in this private haven on the backside of Carriage Oaks with no HOA, no flood required. Agent remarks. For more information, review the details.